Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? A little change in the setup. I know I had to change it a little bit because I think my other background was very diverting. It kind of diverted the whole entire focus from my face, and I just wanted something a little plainer. And I know there are some distractions over here too, but yeah, I mean, let us just make it work, because definitely this is not like a proper setup. I have to look into a few other things, but let's just say it's temporary and I'm working on it. And yes, let's just think ahead. Okay, if you guys remember, if you guys were following me back when I had started this channel, I think you guys must remember we did like a Halloween look last year. If you remember, last year we did like 2 Halloween looks, where one was like this complete witch kind of tutorial, so which was the full gore kind of a look, and the other one was more like a glamorous fall vibe kind of look. So I decided let's just keep it going, and even for this year let's do something about the Halloween. So I am here today, and I decided what's more Halloweeny than my own zodiac sign. So if you have seen get to know me tag video, I told you that I'm a Scorpio by zodiac. So basically a few months back, I don't know, somewhere near Halloween last year, I saw one video from Glam and Gore channel, Mikey. She did a video where she actually did makeup totally based on her zodiac. She's also a Scorpio. She did makeup totally based on the fact, the colors that are associated with her zodiac. So basically I thought, yeah, it's a good idea. I'm Scorpio too, I can also do that. And then I realized this kind of idea works brilliantly when it's Halloween. I think the kind of goreness that I need for Halloween is just there with my zodiac. So I decided we are going to do this for the Halloween, and yeah, that is where we are today. So let us do like a little research about my zodiac, the things about Scorpio, how Scorpios really are. So I will take you through a few traits that are like very common about the Scorpios. So Scorpio, October 23 to November 21. If you are born between October 23 to November 21, you are a Scorpio. Scorpio is one of the most misunderstood signs of the zodiac. That is an awesome start. Okay. Because of its incredible passion and power, Scorpio is often mistaken for a fire sign. But now, guys, we are a water sign, which is nice. Scorpio is extremely clairvoyant and intuitive. I don't know what clairvoyant is, but intuitive, yeah, kind of. Okay, what else do we have? Scorpios simply know what they want and aren't afraid to work hard and play the long game to get it. I mean, I'm still working for my YouTube. I don't get a single penny, and I'm wasting a lot of money already on YouTube. So I don't think this is wrong, because I'm still working really hard for this thing. So yep, it's correct. Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the planet that governs both destruction and transformation. We are very destructive. There's no doubt of the fact that being a Scorpio, I'm very, very, very destructive. Right. On a bad day, the shadowy side of Scorpio is fueled by a relentless desire to control. Yes, I want to control everything, and that is right. So yeah, I must say there is a lot of dark energy around being a Scorpio, and I can very clearly see where the colors are going. It's all about black. That's why I'm wearing black, right? So okay, Scorpio traits are it's just very dark over here. Let's just go for the colors. The colors that are associated with the Scorpio. So basically, the color of Scorpios, if you can see over here, they say it's this kind of spectrum. It's black, then there is the red, these are dark colors. I mean, as you see over here, this is Aries, this is Taurus and stuff. They all have like a very colorful spectrum. For Scorpios, it's all about being grey, being red, very dark blue. Wow, thank God there is blue. And definitely the blacks and the reds, the maroons and the burgundies. That is what Scorpio is all about. That life is dark when you are a Scorpio. Right, okay, so basically we know what colors we are going for. Now also, because we are actually going for like a Scorpio thing, I think it is very natural for me to have like a look which should be very fierce, because Scorpios are very fierce. We are going to do something which is definitely not a everyday wear look. This is Halloween special, so definitely it's not for the faint heart. You have to be very strong-willed to see what we're going to do today. And I think it's fair enough if I complete my base makeup, because that is going to be a whole lot of things, because we have to work through a lot of things for the eye makeup and other stuff. So I think let's just quickly let me do the base makeup, and yep, I'll just return back after the base and we'll just move directly into the eye makeup. Okay guys, I am a little zoomed in and I'm wearing this. It is actually very weird when I wear these kind of irritate me, but today what we really want from our eye makeup, we really need this because we want it to be very clean, clear and crisp. So okay, we shall start off. Let's just say I'm actually starting off with some blacks, and I'll be taking this WetnWild trio, and I'm taking this particular black color. It is going to be very smoky, right? So I'm taking the black color, right? We are going for the crease first. And I'm smoking it out because we want it like this. Okay, so I am not blending it abhi. We'll do that later. This look will look very messy and untidy and I don't know what and what. Unless it is completed, it will look like, okay, this is going bad and wrong, but no, it will come together nice, I promise. So yeah. So now I'll be taking this Maybelline brush, the cleaner side, and what I'm really doing is I'll be taking the browns in this palette, both the light and the darker brown, and we are going to buff the edges. Oh, it's even worse now. Taking a brush, cleaning this. I'm taking a concealer now, and we are going to cut the whole entire crease. Okay, so even if it looks like very messed up to you, don't worry, it has to look gory eventually, so it's fine. It's just fine. So I am taking this gorgeous Me palette from Glazed. We'll be moving into some reds, and let me see like a good red for this particular so I'm taking this color, this color, okay, and onto a crease brush I am taking this kind of like a burgundy color. So it is like this. On camera it looks a little different, but in real life it is like a very burgundy color. So I'm taking this particular color on like half of the crease. It has been stamped. Now I'll be taking the same transition brush that I used, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm taking a little black from this palette, and we will be actually buffing this pink with this black. This black is very pigmented. Now I'll be taking this particular color. On camera it looks a little different, but in real life it is very different. So don't worry, we are going with reds only. So I'm taking a concealer brush and I'm taking this particular red, and the lid which is remaining, I think we should just cover that particular area. Same black color on the transition brush, we are going to buff this again. So this is how it looks so far. You can see it's quite like very fierce and everything, and it has to look like this, right? So I am actually going to take a black eyeliner. I'm taking one from Quirky because it is very matte and black. So I'm taking this, and I also like the wand of it. I like the whole entire brush of it. So let's just make a wing. side. I mean, it's very fierce and I can definitely feel a lot of Halloween coming through, poking through. So let me quickly take like a kajal. I'm taking a one from Quirky and let me put it on my lower lash line, guys. Okay, so I'll be taking, actually I'll be starting off with black first and then we'll move into the reds. We are going to complete it in like these two colors. So I am taking the black, smudger brush and taking the black color and I'm going to smudge the whole entire black so that it looks cohesive and smoky. I'll be taking this particular burgundy kind of color, not actually burgundy, this is more like a touch of pink to burgundy, and I'll be just smoothing out the lower lash line. As you see, I am taking it all across this wing also so that it looks even more cohesive. And to complete this entire thing, I'm just going to take the red we have taken and I'll be highlighting the inner corners using the red color. So yeah. Oh wow, it looks really nice. So I'll be taking a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using the one from SFR. The reason I'm using this highlighter is because it has like a very different than usual glow. It has a pink sheen to it, which looks very extraterrestrial. Let's complete the lips first and then we shall move into a little more detailing. Okay, so I have this eyeliner from Half and Half, I think, yes, from Half and Half, and I got this from Amazon. Now this is actually an eyeliner, more like a sketch eyeliner but with a twist, because this is eyeliner on one side and then there is this star shaped stamp. Can you see, guys? Yes, it's a star shaped stamp on the other. So I just want to have like a stamp. Woo! Okay, I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to clean it quickly. And let's quickly do the mascara and the lashes and I'll return with the complete look. Let me just come back. So yes guys, this is it for today's video and I am serving pure like Bat Queen fantasy. I've even crimped my hairs and it looks even more voluminous and like in there, and I think this look is like perfect for Halloween. It just looks like bang on Halloween. It screams Halloween into my face. So yes, and so yeah guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.